In this video, I am going to show you how to set up your Starlink account after placing an order on their website. To start, go to the Starlink website, enter your service address and click Order Now. You will be redirected to an order page where you will enter your personal and payment information. Once your order is complete, Starlink will send you a confirmation email. This email is important because it contains a link to set up your account. If you don't see it in your inbox, make sure to check your junk, spam or clutter folder. You can also search your email for message from noreply@starlink.com. In the confirmation email, scroll to the bottom and click on Sign in to my account. That link will take you to the page where you create your Starlink password and officially set up your account. After setting your password, you can return to the Starlink website and log in anytime using your email and new password. I hope this video helped you to get your Starlink account set up. If it did, consider subscribing and I will see you in the next one.